Okay, we did this last Saturday, and client wanted the porch done, so we started the porch. I'm just leveling it up, getting it level, old school first, and then I'll put the profile up. But we make sure that we're coming through level, slightly off square, and just running down on this blue brick. So we squared that up, and we're just coming over here. This side, I just want to show you the wall starters that we put up. Chris has put them up for me, and what we do, we put one of these guys in there, and they're screwed in with these.
These are the bolts, 10mm bolts with a washer on, and then they've got a plug. So just some of them have gone into the actual brick, and then some we've gone. They actually fit just perfectly in the grout. So if you drill through nice and deep, as deep as the drill will go, tap them in with a hammer, and then bolt them up. I just did them with a 10mm impact driver. Straight in, and you need 2 or 3 per one, and they actually interlock as well. The two going fast together. Get them in as square as you can. And
yeah, that's it. And then that goes in there.
That goes in there and then pushes down.
And that's really nice.
Fast onto the house.
Flash. Solid.
Not just for porches though, is it, Chris? It can be for anything.
Anything. Brilliant. Leading to houses. Extensions.
Interesting thing is these are in stainless steel as well, so they don't rot through.
That's right.
So long term they're going to last.
Yeah.
Chris, I actually went to fetch these, and Chris says, get such and such a one, and I had to ring him. I says, which sort do we need? And there's a hook one that you can put in like in a raw plug, but he was saying if you get that and put it on a joint, you're sort of knocking your bricks out of line. So this particular one is much better, and you haven't got to worry where it finishes because you can cut it off beforehand. But it's very interesting. I've never seen the system before, but it is good. It's made by Catnick.
There you are. Screwed right in.
That's a better one because it's a double one. That one, I've done that one bolt on too.
Yeah, that's it. Good. And that ties this whole little frame, short brickwork, into the main house. There we go. Catch you in the build. Here I'm just measuring to keep my courses in bond so that they're all in line, and so that the top of the door will be exactly the same as the other side. You've got to keep yourself constantly eye on everything. Here I am putting my ties in. Again, that's very important. You don't have to put them in every course, but just make sure that you're putting them in, and that ties it to the house. I'll carry on. This is just a weekend project I do on Saturdays to keep the workload down. However, over the week they've used the profile for different jobs, so I am just doing it the old way with the old level. Just as good, but it's easier to just build to a profile. But this is site work, and you just got to carry on. Haha, got it the wrong way round.
Chris, you pleased with your work?
Never always pleased, fully, but happy. Want to see the roof on?
Yeah. Beautiful.
There we go, all done today, Saturday, built it up. And it's ready for its roof and the door to go in.